Modern MacBook these days offers a lot of features, excels in performance than any other laptops, and has a premium build quality. But for a starting price of 74,990 pesos, it is quite expensive to some people. But did you know that there is a MacBook Pro you can get in a lower price point but still has the premium build quality and has all the ports that you need? What is up guys, well here Fuga Tech, and this is my 2015 MacBook Pro review in 2020. Design-wise, this 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro can hold up to this day. With its aluminum sleek design and slim profile, this MacBook isn't far from today's modern MacBook Pro designs. Plus, it's still got that signature glowing Apple logo at the back and all the I/Os you need. On the left, you do get your MagSafe connector, 2 Thunderbolt ports, USB port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the right, you have another USB port, HDMI, and an SD card reader. The keyboard, on the other hand, is also great, as this was the last MacBook Pro to sport the chiclet keyboard, which has a pretty good travel as compared to Pro models released in 2016 to 2019, which has the butterfly mechanism. Now for portability, it is still up to par by today's standards. Weighing in at 3.5 pounds, this 2015 MacBook Pro is slightly close to today's MacBook Pro, weighing in at 3.1 pounds. I find it easy to carry and not too thin for me to bend it inside my bag. One of the best things about this laptop is the display. Even though it was released 5 years ago, the display on this device is still one of the best seen on a laptop as compared to most Windows laptops today. It's got a 13-inch Retina display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, capable of having 227 ppi. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are excellent. However, I find the bezels rather thick, but overall the display is excellent, especially for people like me who do color grading, video, and photo editing. Just like what Apple is doing on their iPhones and their iPads, given its age, this 2015 MacBook Pro is still supporting Apple's latest macOS Catalina. As far as performance is concerned, this particular MacBook Pro has 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal SSD storage, which is a meh on today's standards. It also has the Intel Core i5 processor with 2.7GHz and an Intel Iris Graphics 800. Surprisingly, this device can handle basic tasks such as browsing the web with numerous tabs open, editing 4K videos, and doing some Photoshop edits. However, when it comes to rendering 4K videos, it took me almost 2 hours to render a 10-minute video, but downscaling a 4K 10-minute Fuga Tech video into 1080, it just took me 20 minutes to render the full clip. When it comes to battery, this MacBook Pro has 6,600 mAh when brand new. This is the part where my MacBook Pro shows its age. I can use this for 4 to 5 hours of web browsing, but when it's brand new, Apple claimed that you could run up to 12 hours when doing basic tasks. Now for price, I bought this MacBook Pro for 50,990 pesos brand new. But you can get one of these for a second-hand price for around 30 to 40,000 pesos. Just make sure to check everything if you are buying a second-hand unit. Even though there are some aspects of this device where it shows its age, this laptop is still one of the best yet cheapest MacBook Pro you can buy. Especially if you hate carrying extra dongles, and also if you do casual video and photo editing. But if you do graphically intensive content such as rendering 4K videos, editing raw images, I suggest you either get the maxed out model with 16GB of RAM and a larger internal storage, or just get the newer 2020 MacBook Pro. So, what do you guys think about the 2015 MacBook Pro? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit fugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.